Hi guys, today we're going to see what you remember about measurement and reasonableness. Remember, reasonableness simply means which measurement would you most likely use. Okay, so I want you to take out your jam journal and I want you to write your answers down. So after each page, I want you to pause and write your answer down, and then we're going to check and see if you're correct. Okay, so pause this while you get out your jam journal. Okay, ready? Here we go. Okay, to begin with, which measurement best describes the length of the height of a door? So actually what I'm talking about is measuring it from the bottom to the top. Okay, think about your body benchmarks. You can even look in your journal at your foldables that we made. 7 meters. Think about your body benchmark for that. 7 yards from your nose to the end of your fingers. 7 feet from your elbow to the top of your hand. Or 7 centimeters. Remember 7 of those pinkies. If you said 7 yards, you are correct. Okay, let's go to the next one. Which measurement best describes the length of a new pencil? You know, like before you've eaten on it and chewed on it and scraped it with your scissors. Okay, would that be 8 centimeters? Think about your body measurement. 8 inches, your thumb. 8 feet, or 8 decimeters. Remember, decimeter is the palm of your hand. Okay, the correct answer is 8 inches. Okay, which measurement best describes the length of a soda straw? Not the tiny ones that you put in your milk cartons, but the big ones like are in a soda. Okay, would that be 20 millimeters? Now remember, 20 millimeters, that's like your 20 fingernails stacked on top of each other. 20 centimeters, 20 inches, or 20 feet? I know that a soda straw is not 20 feet. 20 millimeters, that's only 2 centimeters. That's not very much. That's only about that far. 20 centimeters or 20 inches? 20 inches would be taller than a sheet of paper, so the correct answer is B, 20 centimeters. Which measurement best describes the height of a soda can? Okay, now remember, height goes from bottom to top. Okay, 5 millimeters, 1 foot. Okay, hold up your arm and look at a foot. 5 inches, so 5 of those thumbs, or 5 centimeters. Hopefully you guessed, not B this time, but C, 5 inches. Okay, which measurement best describes the length of a car? Okay, so from the headlights to the back. 4 meters, 4 inches, 4 feet, or 4 kilometers. Okay, think about this for a minute. Which one of these measures distance, like when you're driving? Well, that's kilometers, so it can't be that one. Okay, so 4 meters. Remember what's your body measurement? Put your fingers on your chest and hold them out, and that's 4 meters. 4 inches or 4 feet? 4 inches would be way too short. 4 feet would be way too short. So the correct answer is A, 4 meters. Do process of elimination. Which measurement best describes the length of a sheet of notebook paper? Okay, so 11 millimeters, 11 centimeters, 11 inches, or 11 feet? Okay, so look at this end part here. 11 feet. What do you think about that one? I think for a sheet of paper, that's way too much. Okay, 11 millimeters. Okay, the height or the width, I'm sorry, of your fingernails. 11 of those. Oh, that's too small. Okay, 11 centimeters or 11 inches. Okay, think about that. 11 of your thumbs or 11 of your pinky fingers. If you guessed 11 inches, you are correct. Okay, which measurement best describes the height of a flagpole in front of the school? Height is from top to bottom. Those things are really, really tall because we want everyone to see them. So, 9 inches, 9 yards, 9 feet, or 9 miles. One of these you know you can mark off automatically because it's a driving distance in a car. That one would be 9 miles. Mark that one off. Okay, so now when you're looking at these, you need a really large measurement. So if you're having to look at your foldable, that's perfectly fine. So which one is the largest measurement that you can use? That would be 9 yards. Okay, remember, from the tip of your nose to the end of your fingers, that's close to a yard. Which measurement best describes the length of a yardstick? Okay, not a meter stick, but a yardstick. So think about that for a second. How many feet are in a yard? You're right, 3. So A is the correct answer. You would not measure a yardstick with centimeters because that is a metric measurement. Which measurement best describes the height of a student chair? Okay, so look at your chair. Kind of looks like that. So the height is from the top down to the bottom. Not that tall. So, which one do you know you would mark off because it's just going to be way too big? Yards. That would be way too big. Okay, because a yard is like the length of a baseball bat. 50 of those? Wow. 50 feet. Okay, look at your body measurement from your elbow to the top of your hand. 50 of those? Way too much. Okay, so 50 centimeters or 50 inches? If you said 50 inches, you are correct. Okay, which of the following is about a foot? Your height, the distance from your hand to your elbow, the width of your fingernail, or the width of a doorway? This one is meter. This one is millimeter. So it has to be